Jeep Compass 2026, Electrified Off-Road King conquers America's roads. Imagine driving an SUV across the Mojave Desert, over rugged rocky roads, and then gently gliding into the streets of Los Angeles. That's the Jeep Compass 2026, the newly launched CSUV, combining Jeep's legendary off-road heritage with pioneering electrification technology. With the first edition version and 4x4 drive system, Compass is not just a car, but a ticket to any adventure. Design: Jeep-like, modern, and powerful. The 2026 Compass has a distinctly American look with the iconic 7-slot grille, trapezoidal wheel arches, and a scratch-resistant shell that's ready for both urban and wild. The tropical island-inspired Hawaiian blue paint will make you stand out on the highway. Produced at Stellantis Melfi, Italy, plant, the 2026 Compass demonstrates its commitment to sustainability and European quality. Highlights: scratch-resistant Jeep shields and a radar reset to prevent damage, ideal for tight parking spaces or rough trails. Off-road capability rivals the Bronco Sport. Don't let its compact dimensions, 4.55 m, fool you. The 4x4 version of the Compass, especially the Trailhawk, is the king of off-roading with 200 millimeters of ground clearance, a 27-degree approach angle, and a 470 millimeters wading depth. The Select Terrain system and hill descent control help you conquer sand dunes or snowy roads like in Colorado. Compared to the Ford Bronco Sport or Toyota RAV4, the Compass has true Jeep DNA, ready to challenge roads that the Subaru Forester cannot. Technology and interior, the future of mobility. Inside, the 2026 Compass is a tech powerhouse. The 16-inch super sharp display, 10-inch gauge cluster, and Level 2 self-driving keep you entertained on I-95. OTA updates keep the car fresh, while the 40/20/40 split folding rear seats and 550-liter trunk are ideal for camping in Yosemite. While the interior isn't as luxurious as the RAV4, the extra 55 millimeters of legroom and heated seats, first edition, make it comfortable for the whole family. Engines: powerful, green, and versatile. The 2026 Compass has you covered with a 145 horsepower hybrid, a 195 horsepower PHEV, and a 375 horsepower BV that pumps out 3,100 Newton-meters of torque at the rear wheels, enough to climb a 20% grade even if the front wheels lose traction. The all-electric version will run 404 miles, 650 kilometers, on a single charge, with a 160 kilowatts fast charge, 30 minutes from 20 to 80%. In its segment, the Compass BV outshines the Bronco Sport, which doesn't have an EV and competes well with the RAV4 Prime. First edition, exclusive for Jeep fans. The first edition is a treat for Jeep-loving Americans. 20-inch wheels, matrix LEDs, and a 213 horsepower BV with a 310-mile, 500 kilometers range. Safety is top-notch with parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and Level 2 autonomous driving. Order now for delivery in Q4 2026. Quantities are limited, so don't miss out.